how low this water is. It's crazy. Good morning, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to another video and my walk and by the river, as you can tell. It is Thursday and it's like, geez, it's late too. It's late in the morning for me. It's 6:37 in the morning and it's like 50-something degrees out. This morning I am on just a walk. It's supposed to rain later on this afternoon, so I'm going to be probably not doing anything this afternoon. We might have to make an emergency run to Bangor, because one of our senior cats, she keeps crying in the night, and she's like, you know those awful howling sounds they make, and she's got a really bad eye. Her eyes are bad. She was an abandoned cat, abused abandoned cat. She's really pretty. We took her in, and she's like 13 or something like that. This is how low the water is. Usually you don't see any of this water, rocks I should say. And you see where the rocks are all like colored, like dark? That's usually because they're underwater. But the coast is like, ew, what is that? Oh, whatever it is nasty. But look. That's crazy. I wonder if, oh Jude, I wonder if I can find any glass down here. Probably not. See how it's all white. I wonder why it's white. I'm staying on all the big rocks. Yeah. This is more, what do you call it? Like, receded more than like 2 weeks ago. It was receded too. And this is even worse. See, today it's supposed to rain pretty good. It's going to be like from 2 into the night, 2 o'clock in the afternoon into the night, into the AM tomorrow morning. So, and it's supposed to rain pretty good. So that will make everything go up a lot. So it looks like this. It looks like the sun is trying to come out, kinda. So we'll go around town and see what kind of deal I can get into today. So we'll see you in a bit. Bye. So I'm walking down this trail again, and boy, wasn't the trees a beautiful color. I went down on the river road and it was so beautiful. All the trees. There was like this little cove spot, and I was like, oh my gosh, there's like, what are those? Those are like maple trees, and they were so beautiful. Like they were so, like the color was so yellow, it like washed it all out when I tried to record it. The leaves kept falling, and I'm like, oh my god, this is so cool. Like I kept spinning around because I had the camera like this, and the leaves kept falling in front of me, and I looked behind me and they weren't falling, so I kept turning, and every time I turned, the leaves would stop falling. So I'm like, what the heck? So that's why it looked like I kept going, like spinning around. It was funny. These are pretty. These flowers, not flowers, but trees. Look over there, though. What are those yellow things? Are those flowers? Let me look. I might have to go investigate. Yeah, I think they might be flowers. Look how there's like 2 or 3 patches right there. But yeah, look how it's receded so much that all that used to be underneath water. And even over right there. Oh look, it looks like the sun's trying to come out. Oh, look at that. Awesome. See, it knew I was coming in with the camera, so it showed me a little bit. Oh, that's cool. It showed me a little bit. The powers that be. They're like, oh, here comes that girl. She usually does uplifting stuff. Well, let's give her a little bit. I appreciate that tremendously. I might go down there. We'll see. See on the other side. That's so neat. So I'll walk back. I decided I didn't want to walk down there. I didn't want to jimmy down there. But oh man, it looks so cool. Look at that. Oh, that's so neat. So I'm gonna go on the other side. I'm gonna cross this bridge and then go down on the other side. And we'll see what we can get into today. So the sun is behind me. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I don't know how this is gonna look when I video it because it's in a certain mode or whatever, but it's kind of neat. So I'm here on this trail and it is a beautiful morning. The sun is trying to come out. It looks a little clear. The sky is trying to clear out. And it just looks so weird. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. It's supposed to rain later though. That's kind of a drag. But we need it bad because the rivers are pretty low. I'm gonna walk around here and then go somewhere else. I'll probably go down the Algal Road. See what kind of mess I can get into over there. Not sure if I'm gonna go in the woods. That right there is the Penobscot River here in Maine. And The trees are turning colors. Oh man, fall has fired off this year. Oh wow, you see? The sun came out. This is cool. Oh man, this is so beautiful. Huh. So, if you like these kinds of videos, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in a bit when I get on the Cindygirl Road. See you later. Bye. Hello everyone. I am on the Cindygirl Road now. I'm barely made it a mile, and I gotta get going on the walking because I've been slacking on the dieting and cheating like crazy. Like yesterday, we had to go to Lincoln and it was late in the afternoon. And late in the afternoon is usually when I'm hungry. And I really have to like watch what I eat and stuff. I want an iced coffee from McDonald's. And I'm like, hell yeah I do, right? Because it's cheaper than Dunkin'. And it's just the iced coffee, and I put extra sugar and milk in my iced coffee. Well, anyway, so that kicked it off. Then he wanted, there's this chicken place. They have like chicken tenders. They're like huge chicken tenders. I cannot remember the name of the place. It's in Lincoln, right? And he wanted to go down there, so I walk in. It smells freaking awesome in there, right? It smells like Kentucky Fried Chicken, I swear. So I go, oh, I want, and I ordered his stuff. And then I saw they had these little nuggets. And of course, I was hungry. So I ordered those too. So then we get home, and my scale was like, I was like, oh my gosh. So I was like, tomorrow I have to buckle down. Oh, this is a fun little story. Okay, so my father-in-law used to go and throw like quarters and stuff like that on his backyard, in the backyard, and because he had a metal detector. And he used to go to my husband and my daughter-in-law, my sister-in-law, hey, let's go metal detect in the backyard and see what we can come up with. So they metal detect back there, and then they found the quarters and stuff. And of course, back then, when we were younger, 25 cents was like, it was like 25 pieces of candy back in the day. And that's a lot. Look at those trees. Look how beautiful those trees are. Oh, I gotta move, there's a car coming. And then we got this clearing here. I went up in this clearing right here. All right, see how distracted I get? They cleared all this section out. I don't know why they did. It's beautiful here though. All kinds of dump trucks that come over here and everything. This is a Protect Sand and Salt Shed Facility. Well, there, but it's sometimes we see animals down here. Some nice fall trees down here too. So I'll get a little bit down here, a little ways, and then I'll head back. So if you like these kinds of videos, like and subscribe, and go check me out. Go check out my other socials. Cindygirl, Cindy is the boss on TikTok, and Cindygirl113 on Instagram. Here you go, Mom. Here's a beautiful picture. Oh, shoot. Oh, snap. Get it? Snapchat, snap. Anyway. That's what it's like way down there. Oh, now that's pretty. Ooh la la. So, if you like these kinds of videos, like and subscribe again, and we'll see you in a bit. So, I am recording now on my iPhone, and this is the wastewater treatment. I'm still on the, you know, on the, I call it the dump road. So, this is what it's like. Some fall leaves. It's actually pretty nice in here. I'll probably just go like up to there and then turn around, come back. But that tree is pretty. Mm-hmm. It's just a little one. So, yeah. That was so cool. You can hear them going in there. You can hear them in there. Oh, that was so cool. Oh my gosh. I saw a deer. Oh, yes. I was like, man, there's no deers around here. And then I was like, I'm gonna go down this road because I haven't seen any lately. You can hear him. You can hear him walking in the tree, in the woods there. Oh, that's so cool. Well, the trees are real nice in there. This is so pretty. Check out these trees are beautiful too. All in here. Yo, I got my phone on this tripod, I switched phones. I don't know if you can see the different colors. Oh yeah, yeah. This one's super pretty. See the colors? It's real pretty. I can't believe I saw a deer. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. So, I'm gonna head back. I've been walking for 2.34 and it's 7:42 in the morning and I've been walking 5,552 steps. So I gotta go back, go home, try to get my husband to let the chickens out, and edit this, baby my mother-in-law. Oh yeah, we got a Subway sandwich. I forgot about that. Yeah, I got a Subway sandwich. Just a turkey though. I didn't get anything special, but yeah, that's gonna be good. So if you like these kinds of videos, like and subscribe, and we'll see you later on the next adventure. Bye.